Meaning of free paper.
Free paper.
Free paper.
Free paper.
Free paper. Free paper can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a type of academic paper that is not subject to subscription fees, or it can also refer to a promotional material such as flyers or leaflets that are distributed free of charge. In the academic context, free papers are often made available on open access platforms like AR14 or bioRxiv. These platforms make research more accessible to a wider audience and promote knowledge sharing in the scientific community. On the other hand, free papers used as marketing materials help businesses reach out to potential customers and raise brand awareness.